Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that we closed on the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a empty house tour. We have our movers coming tomorrow. There was a slight issue with getting everything on record, and they're working on it now. So we're just waiting to find out if we're able to stay here or not for the night. But I figure while I'm here, can you please stop?
No!
I figured while I'm here that I would do the empty house tour. So I went around and I showed you, so I hope you guys enjoy. So this is the kitchen. Say hi!
Hi!
Then we're gonna move down into the hallway. This is the basement. This is the bathroom. Not going to turn the light on, but my daughter's already got stuff everywhere. This is going to be the playroom. Hey. I know. Shh. And then I like this closet because when you come through this closet, you can actually go into one of the other bedrooms. So that's the other bedroom. And then this is my living room. We have to patch some holes and stuff like that, do a little painting. And then you're gonna come up here. We're gonna go upstairs. And then this is one of the bedrooms. And then over here is the other bedroom. Whoop. It's all right. And then you've got my cat that's hiding because he's scared because it's a new place.
Hi, Dexter!
So that's the house.
Welcome home, guys! Are you crying? The face Chris is making. Oh, smile, guys. It's